Alright, I wanted to show you this. I've got a Rover P4 here. It's been restored about 8 years ago, and I just wanted to give you just a look around the engine bay. I'll do a couple of close-ups, so just in case you're restoring one and you need to know what it looks like, where some bits go. Hopefully this is a little bit of a help here. So as you can see, it's a 6-cylinder. It's got an oil bath air filter, and this nice elaborate setup into the carbies. It's got some SUs, an SU on it, and to show you an interesting setup here. I reckon this is like a fuel tap or something. I thought this is an elaborate setup here. It's just to hide all the wiring and the fuses. So you can see how the bonnet hinges go here. So we'll give you a look around. This is the side of the heater box. We're getting down here, it's below the steering box. It's got a fuel filter in line here, and I'm not quite too sure how to get down underneath here, but we'll give it a go. Alright, so we'll go around in front of the air filter over to the radiator. Nice little setup on top of the radiators here. There's one on both sides. They've got this spiral wrap around the wiring. Have a look. Painted the fan red. There's a washer bottle. I'd like to know if that's original. It's an interesting setup. And I'll just show you here. Here's the crank handle. Washer motor. Coming around to this side, we've got the wipers. And heater fan. Try to get around the back here as much as I can. Distributor on the top. And this is the coil setup. Alright, well hopefully that's given you a bit of a overview of what it looks like and how it all fits underneath. Start it up for you, it runs pretty well. I'll just start it up and I'll show you a video of it running. Here we go, here's running now, you can hardly tell.